back on stage.
Thanks, Akash and Kiran. Friends, we are also privileged to have some of the world's leading technology players as our strong partners in our Made in India 5G collaboration. We are excited to work with Meta in realizing our vision of bringing the benefits of immersive technology to everyone. We believe India's vibrant digital ecosystem can play a critical role in shaping the metaverse and bring new possibilities in education, healthcare, and commerce 4.0. We are working with Google to develop ultra-affordable 5G smartphones for India and to leverage the advanced capabilities of Google Cloud to offer Jio's private 5G stack and other 5G-enabled solutions to both domestic and global users at scale. We are partnering with Microsoft to expand the Azure ecosystem in India and to develop a vibrant ecosystem of cloud-enabled business applications and solutions, especially for small and medium businesses. We are working with Intel on technologies used in Jio's cloud-scale data centers and 5G edge locations and in infrastructure for cutting-edge applications like artificial intelligence. And we have well-established relations with leading global network technology providers like Ericsson, Nokia, Samsung, and Cisco. And today, I want to announce one more exciting partnership with Qualcomm, who is not only a global semiconductor and communications technology major, but also one of our valued investors in Jio Platforms. To share a few words on this partnership, I have with me today my dear friend and the CEO of Qualcomm, Mr. Cristiano Amon.
Thank you, Mukesh. I'm privileged to be speaking to all of you. The 5G spectrum auctions are behind us, and Reliance Jio is well positioned to drive digital transformation across all aspects of life in India, utilizing your excellent position in the 700 megahertz, 3500 megahertz, and 26 gigahertz spectrum. Jio plans for reaching 1,000 cities are ambitious, but I'm confident in its proven ability to execute. A great example was the paradigm-shifting 4G rollout in 2016. We worked together to deliver innovation at scale, including advanced LTE data services for devices used by consumers and micro enterprises across India. The results have been incredible. According to the GSMA, there has been a significant improvement in the urban-rural connectivity gap, and data consumption has been increasing steadily, making India one of the highest data-consuming markets globally. With 5G's power to extend far beyond the smartphone, Jio is poised to take the success to the next level. When virtually every device can be reliably connected to the cloud, significant opportunities are unlocked, not only for Jio, but also for India consumers, industry, and enterprises, and even strategic government missions. To fully realize 5G's potential, Jio has spectrum bands that provide a well-balanced mix of capacity and coverage. Millimeter wave will be a critical component of Jio's high-performance 5G network. With its extreme capacity, multi-gigabit throughput, and ultra-low latency, it will enable fiber-like broadband through fixed wireless access, eliminating the need for fiber in inaccessible regions. When I met Honorable Prime Minister Modi last year, he spoke about accelerating advanced communication technologies for the socio-economic advancement of all Indians. Jio and Qualcomm are working to develop the right solutions to help achieve this goal. We're also excited to be working together on cloud-native, scalable, and flexible 5G infrastructure in both millimeter wave and sub-6 gigahertz to develop an ecosystem that can extend beyond India. Additionally, I was happy to learn about Reliance Jio's broader efforts in drones, robotics, automotive, Industry 4.0, and private networks. Reliance is one of the few companies that has the scale to take the solutions across industries and geographies. Our strategic relationship and complementary strengths, spanning sectors and industry verticals, will enable us to tackle this vast opportunity. As India celebrates 75 years of independence, with Jio, we're committed to developing the digital infrastructure that enables the success of citizens in business and achieves the new India envisioned by the Prime Minister. Paraphrasing Mukesh, 5G rollout is finally a top priority. Congratulations to the entire Reliance team and best wishes for another great year ahead.
Thank you, Cristiano. I am confident that the solutions developed by Qualcomm and Jio, once proven in India, can be taken to the rest of the world. Jio 4G, Jio Fiber, and now Jio 5G are uniquely positioned to deliver the best quality, highest value digital connectivity solutions for our country. Likewise, Jio Platforms, our digital services arm, has been quietly building capabilities that span the entire digital solutions ecosystem. And we are deepening our expertise by attracting the best global talent across all key digital technologies like smart devices, cloud and edge computing, big data, artificial intelligence, IoT, robotics, blockchain, and augmented reality. These capabilities are not just powering the breakthrough scaling of all our own businesses, but we are well poised to spearhead India's transformation into a leading digital society. India can lead the world with digital solutions that solve humanity's biggest problems today, like education, healthcare, agriculture, governance, and sustainable development. I will have a lot more to share about these opportunities next year. Our media business achieved its highest growth last year on the back of strong engagement, resulting in record subscriptions and advertising revenues. Our national channels CNN News 18, CNBC TV 18, and News 18 India are consistently ranked number 1. Money Control is among the world's most popular subscription products. Our news brands are innovating with novel storytelling methods across platforms, building deeper relationship with audiences wherever they are and whatever device they use. Our entertainment arm, Viacom 18, consolidated its leadership position with a high decibel entry into sports, bagging the digital rights of IPL for 5 years. Along with key sporting rights in football, badminton, basketball, tennis, and now cricket, Viacom 18 is also aggressively investing in movie rights and original content for OTT. In news, entertainment, and sports, digital is a core and fast-growing theme as we prepare to embrace the 5G revolution. Our partnership with Bodhi Tree, James Murdoch, Uday Shankar, and Paramount Global will help Viacom 18 with additional talent bandwidth and enable us to create a world-class media and entertainment business. Dear shareholders, let me congratulate the entire leadership team at Retail on achieving a proud record of rupees 2 lakh crore turnover and EBITDA of 12,000 crores. Today, Reliance Retail is among the top 10 retailers in Asia. Reliance Retail's purpose is to serve millions of customers every day by providing them with unlimited choice, outstanding value proposition, superior quality, and unmatched shopping and delivery experience through our physical stores, merchant partner stores, digital, and omni-commerce platforms. Our business model also has Panch Pran, 5 imperatives. First, focus on enriching customer experience across digital and physical at each touch point using technology. Second, operationalizing and growing multiple channels to increase our reach to serve our customers across India, especially the underserved rural India. In this endeavor, our strategy is to integrate with millions of small merchants and provide them a platform to prosper. The aim is to bring them to become an integral part of the widest distribution portfolio across the country so that they can provide the same choices to their customers that are available in big cities. Third, deepen the categories that we operate in so that we can offer maximum choice on a continuous basis to our customers across all strata of the community. We will do this by investing in design, value, service, and experience to empower customers and make our customer experience better. Fourth, expand our product portfolio. We will partner and integrate with all brands, small producers, and MSMEs so that we can source from the widest range of quality products for our customers. We extend our product and design capability to MSMEs so that they can offer products of the highest quality across different price points and enhance the choice to customers. And fifth, strengthen our logistics and supply chain capabilities, establish a strong technology-enabled supply chain capable of moving products across geographies in India in the most efficient manner, eliminating inefficiencies and waste, pass on the benefits to our customer. I now invite Isha as the leader